Take a guess. It is from the cone skin, on the waist. I made like a bouquet. It looks so pretty. Isn't that awesome? This is a money plant I'm rooting up. And this one they say if you radiate positive vibes. So it has some sea salt and shell, and it's been more than 7-8 years I have that one. Because I clean this sunroom. I mean, every day I clean, but today I'm on all the plants. This is a love sign. If my family members come to sunroom, or sometimes I place it in the kitchen, they can know that they are loved. That's the way of talking, showing your love. This is aloe vera. This is mustard seed. I planted and it's growing up nicely. I put the seed like 6-7 months back, and this is a green chili plant, and ajwain plant is getting huge, going around. And I have some jasmine, couple of jasmine. This they say it is a money plant, but it is some kind of money plant. I like it the way it looks nice. I mean, see, I bought some bamboo stick. I made them to climb. What happened was, every time when you shift the plant, it dies. So this is real money plant. It has only one leaf, but will come up. Here, the another money plant, another type of money plant. This is the real money plant. They say it brings lucky, but I'm going to experiment. This is rosemary. I don't know. I'm watering still. I don't see it's green, but in summer it will come nicely. I have one more jasmine plant. It is coming up. So I used to plant eggplants, beans, tomatoes, green chilies, everything. Waiting for the summer. Are you waiting for the summer? But I think tonight or tomorrow we are going to have snow of few inches. I don't know how many. So, but today it looks so fabulous, nice, nice, nice and sunny, warm. Here I have that impatient seeds. I bought some potting mix, so I mixed them in soil and sprinkled some water. This is my curry leaf plant. See, it was it came huge up to that roof, but so I thought of breaking the branches, but the plant died. Also, we put it outside for a while. For a long time it was inside the room. So it died almost. I'm hoping it will come back, but I have one little baby coming up. See, you can see a lot of new shoots. And this is avocado. I planted like 3-4 years ago. It's growing up, and basil. This is tulasi. When summer comes, I'll plant them separately. I'll throw everything on the floor and keep a separate pot. Time being I'm keeping because I don't have. This one is, I put dill and basil seeds here. So, I started today actually because we have a little sun coming up, and when you do a little early, when you plan and plant, earlier, then by summer it will be awesome. Everything will look nice. See, jasmine plant, and this is plant food. I have a lot of plants outside. Actually, in the front, jasmine plant, and also I'm doing stitching. Free time I do stitching, And crochet. I did a big shawl. I'll show you how to do crochet in another video. Yes. Please share and like and subscribe my channel. Look at that weather outside. Look at the sun outside. Oh, it feels so good, looking at the sun and the snow is getting melted. Oh, there was lots of snow. Still it is there, you can see, but it feels so good. Did you see my sparrows? For decoration, I bought it for Christmas tree, and I thought, it'll be nice if I put it like that. It is a fake, but I like tiny touch up, some decoration here and there. I want my garden to look real. I want my sunroom garden to be real. You can bring whatever the dreams, you can bring life. It adds great dimension to your room. Don't, if you keep only one item, it won't look nice. See how my ajwain. Here also I have a piano, and I can play when I am bored. I play piano, I do crochet, and also I did crochet for my leather chair. It was getting worn out, so I crocheted it on both sides. Whenever I keep my hands, it won't get worn out. So wear and tear to safeguard. See, I did it. My crochet. I'll show you one day how to do the crochet thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thank you. லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. என் பையன் என்னமோ வாங்கின்னு வந்தான். இது என்னன்னு தெரியல. இப்படி பண்ணால் மியூசிக் அடிக்கும். I'm just learning. I know only ABCD. I mean C, D, E, F, G from C, C, D, E, F,